How to care for indoor plants while on vacation. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Indoor plants bring life and vibrancy to our homes, but they require consistent care to thrive. When you plan a vacation, one of the concerns may be how to keep your beloved plants healthy in your absence. Whether you're away for a few days or weeks, you can ensure your plants are well cared for with some preparation and smart techniques. This video will help you care for your indoor plants while you enjoy your vacation, stress-free. Number 1. Watering solutions. Water is the most critical factor for your plants' survival while you're away. Here's how to keep them hydrated. Self-watering systems. A self-watering system ensures that your plants have access to water in a regulated manner. Options include self-watering pots. These containers come with a reservoir at the bottom that allows plants to absorb water as needed. Watering globes or spikes. These are inserted into the soil and slowly release water over time. Water wicking method. You can create a DIY water wicking system with a few common household items. Place a large water container next to your plants. Insert one end of a cotton or nylon rope into the water container and the other into the soil of each plant pot. The wick will slowly transport water to the plants through capillary action. Bathtub or sink watering. For plants that require a lot of moisture, place plants with drainage holes in a bathtub or sink with a shallow layer of water. The plants will absorb water from the bottom as needed. Be careful not to submerge the pots completely to avoid root rot. Number 2. Humidity control. Many indoor plants thrive in humid environments. When you're away, especially during hot, dry seasons, plants might struggle without consistent moisture in the air. Here are ways to help maintain humidity. Group plants together. Place your plants close together in a single room. This creates a mini environment that retains humidity. Create a humidity tray. Place a shallow tray filled with water and pebbles under your plants. As the water evaporates, it will increase the moisture in the air around the plants. Use a humidifier. If you have a humidifier, set it on a low setting to maintain a consistent level of moisture. Number 3. Lighting adjustments. Your plants may need less light while you're away, since they will likely be using less water. Here's what you can do. Move plants away from direct sunlight. This prevents them from drying out too quickly. Consider placing them in a well-lit but indirect sunlight spot. Use timers for grow lights. If your plants rely on artificial grow lights, you can attach them to timers that mimic the natural daylight cycle, ensuring they get just enough light. Number 4. Pruning and maintenance before leaving. Before you leave, spend some time pruning and caring for your plants. Trim dead leaves and stems. Remove any yellowing or damaged leaves. This helps the plant conserve energy. Check for pests. Inspect your plants for pests like aphids or spider mites. Treat any infestations before you leave. Deep watering. Give your plants a thorough watering before you leave, allowing excess water to drain out. This will ensure the soil remains moist longer. Number 5. Consider plant sitting. For long trips, consider asking a friend, neighbor, or family member to check on your plants. Leave them clear instructions on how much to water and care for each plant. Alternatively, you can hire a plant sitter or use plant sitting services available in some areas. Number 6. Protect against overwatering. For plants that are especially sensitive to overwatering, it's important to create a system where water doesn't accumulate at the base. Ensure good drainage. Make sure all your plant pots have proper drainage holes to avoid water sitting at the bottom and causing root rot. Use water-absorbing crystals. These can be mixed into the soil to help retain moisture without creating soggy conditions. Number 7. Technology solutions. If you are tech-savvy, there are more advanced options available to monitor and care for your plants remotely. Smart plant monitors. Some gadgets monitor soil moisture, temperature, and light levels, sending you alerts if something is off. You can adjust settings from your phone if you use smart watering systems. Automated irrigation systems. More advanced systems can be set to water your plants on a schedule or in response to specific conditions in the soil. Number 8. Time your vacation with plant dormancy. If possible, plan your vacation during a period when your plants naturally require less care. Many indoor plants, like succulents or cacti, go through dormant phases, especially in the cooler months when they require minimal watering and care. Caring for your indoor plants while on vacation doesn't have to be a stressful process. With the right preparations, you can ensure your plants remain healthy and vibrant even while you're away. Whether it's setting up a self-watering system or asking a trusted friend to check in, the key is planning ahead. So, go ahead and enjoy your vacation, knowing your plants are in good hands. If you think this video is helpful, please like it. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take care of your green friends and keep them happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.